Squirter.
Hi, my name's Gaz, the Mini Painting Punk, and I just wanted to share a quick tip with you for a method I've used for doing really quick and reasonably effective marble effect bases like this one here. Now, there are ways of doing this that are more realistic, but if you've got a lot of miniatures to do in this style and not a lot of time to do it, and you want something that is really quick, really easy, and tracks as marble, then this is the video for you.
You will need baby wipes, a clothes peg, black spray, white spray, and grey spray paint. I used two types of grey on this just because I had them, but honestly one grey will be absolutely fine. So we have a wipe here that's been left out of the packet, so it's dried out a little bit, and what we're doing is we are just creating little tears in the wipe. So you're stretching it out till it almost tears completely, but not quite, until you get this spider web pattern. And then we take our base, which has been coated in black paint, and we just wrap it around the base and then just twist the bottom till it pulls that nice and taut, and you get this nice pattern over the base. And then we just take our clothes peg and just clip the bottom so it holds everything in place for your next step. The first spray we use is white spray, so we just spray it all over with that. I've used a satin white spray here because it's slightly glossier, but I am going to gloss the whole thing in the end just to give it that nice shiny marble finish anyway, so matte white spray would work just as well. So once that's dried, we can take the wipe off. There may be a little bit of sticking at this stage. Just carefully peel the wipe off. It shouldn't leave any artifacts on there if you peel it carefully, and you'll see we're off to a really good start. Then all we're doing is repeating steps 1 and 2 with our grey paints. The only difference being is this time when you tear the baby wipe, you don't want to tear it quite as much, leaving smaller holes, meaning less paint gets on the base and it just gives a little grey speckle effect. Now for the very last step, we want the primary colour on this base to be white, and we're just going to bring it back to white by repeating the first step exactly as we did it with the white spray. And once that's done, all you need is a quick coat of gloss and it's complete. Spray gloss or clear gloss paint is great. If you don't have access to either of those things, a bit of PVA glue in water can also give you a gloss effect, except it's not quite as hard wearing, but it will do the job. And there we have it, our easy marble base. Now this isn't a new method by any means, but I thought I would try and present it in a way that is quick, concise and easy to follow. If this video has helped you, then you can help the channel by liking this video, leaving a comment and subscribing. All that stuff helps loads. If you want to help the channel more, there are some links in the description of some other ways you can help out too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye!